here I am with Miguel. This is the MiggyWahtItDo snoring huntas.
What the fuck did you say?
The MiggyWahtItDo snoring hunta. Alright? Oi. Shut the fuck up.
Ready?
Alright, feel attack, mate.
Croaky, listen here. We're about to go deep down under. You ready, partner?
Alright. Face me, motherfucker. Okay. Now, we're gonna check out a species that has just evolved. It is called the holy shit you snore fucking loud. Okay. Let's go.
Ready?
Oi.
Follow me.
Oi.
Come on. Look, it's right there.
January and March, and then at the end of March, she went to her school guidance counselor because she wanted the abuse to stop. However, the city spoke to Tony on the phone. He says, quote, I never did anything they said. I'm innocent.
He's very mad.
We just spoke him.
Tony tells us he has been a bus driver for
He's a very carnivorous creature. Okay? Oi. Alright. I'm gonna get a closer look, mate. What the fuck, mate? Almost got me killed. Bastard snapped his jaws up. Oi. Alright. My cameraman here just fucked up. But let's see if he can redeem himself, mates. I need to study the specimen, mate. Now let's go. Don't you dare fuck with it again.
Sexually explicit conduct. He is currently free on bond. A Cedar Grove man is being held on $100,000.
He seems to be scratching his chest, mates.
Using an 11-year-old girl. The court documents allege this man, 55-year-old Thomas Pomeroy, confessed to the crime.
He seems to be waking up.
For 5 years. A neighbor and family
On
friend
other
of the victim,
news,
he allegedly boggled
let's
the
look
child
at
his
the small
Cedar Grove
hyena sleep.
Pomeroy's family does not believe the allegations.
No, sir. Why not? Because I know my ex-husband better than that. They're just trying to frame me.
But detectives say Pomeroy confessed quickly yesterday and expressed remorse over touching the girl's breasts with his hands and mouth.
You woke in the wildebeest.
We've woken the beast, and we've just caught him scratching his balls. the beast just spoke. The beast has spoken. In other news, we have a hyena sleeping.
Nigga, stop. Bro. That's an angry hyena.
Wow, mate, he seems to be very pissed. It's getting pretty dangerous
Fuck,
out
they're
here.
coming!
Oh, shit. Motherfuckers. Tune in next week, children.